Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing another layout in the 4x6 mini album that I've created from scratch. I think this project is going to be one of my best projects in my opinion. You know, I'm a little biased because it's my stuff. But I'm going to be sharing this layout of just a random picture that I took of Mike recently in the last couple of days. Ugh, you guys, what else is there to do? I feel like my life is checking schoolwork, washing dishes, making dinner, and that's it all over again. I feel like I'm a robot. But somewhere in between, I have found a little bit more downtime because, of course, the kids don't have or are not doing the extracurricular activities of sports and things like that with their schools. So I've been crafting a lot by myself, and it's like my way to decompress and honestly just get a lot of this stuff done. I've been scrapbooking, I've been working on my TN, I've been organizing, decluttering the craft supplies that I have. I've just been a little bit of everything. So we weren't doing anything, like I said. Nothing significant. It was just a random picture. I feel like I've also watched everything there is to watch on Netflix, everything there is to watch on Disney Plus, everything there is to watch on HBO and Prime with I don't know if it's Prime or it's Amazon Prime. I'm not exactly sure. They have like a video app also where you can see movies and rent shows or whatever, buy movies if you want to. So I've had that also. And I feel like honestly, what else can I watch? I'm kind of running out of shows. I'm kind of running out of shows, but I'm you guys, I watch English, Spanish, and Korean shows. Don't ask me why. I just love soap operas and stuff like that. So it's like I always have something to watch, but I'm running out. So we weren't doing anything special. Like I said, we just bored, and I was like, "Hey, babe, let's take a picture or whatever." So at least I could have a craft, something to craft. And he was like, "Okay." Like he always is. He's always very non-caring about it. Um, is that the right word? Not caring about it. Like it doesn't bother him. Basically, is what I'm trying to say. So this layout is very simple. I ended up doing a gift for somebody recently, and I had this tissue paper that is sort of like a shiny metallic pink, and I wanted that to be the background of the picture. I ended up putting a little bit of it on the left side of the layout so that it kind of balances it. And then I am going to be decorating with some of those flowers that we created when we did Build Your Stash. I think the yellow just worked out perfectly, and then the yellow and the green, what a beautiful combination. So yeah, so the flowers were handmade. You guys, I think if you guys just look a little bit further back, Build Your Stash video number 1, you would see, you know what, I'm just gonna link it in the description in case you're interested in how we built those flowers. But they're pretty easy to make. I made a ton. I actually ended up making even more because then I got the genius idea to do like a 12 by 12 layout using nothing but flowers, and I was a little bit short, so I needed to create more. But I think this layout, the main focus was honestly those flowers, those yellow flowers. I'm just going to decorate with that, and then I'm going to add a little bit of stickers on the corner. And then I felt like the left page on your left, as you're looking at it, was way empty, and so eventually I am going to bring in or tie it in with a dolly so that it doesn't look as empty. And that is going to be our layout, you guys. Just a lot of you guys you guys already know I change my mind so much when it comes to adding embellishments, and stickers and anything decorative. I change my mind so much until I find something that I like. So there's nothing much to this layout. I am going to leave you guys here. If you guys have any questions, you know the deal. I check my messages. My channel is still relatively small. I don't get a lot of comments, but if you do have a question, I always respond up to this point, because like I said, my channel is still small, so I'm still able to check comments. And if you have any questions or want to know anything, just leave it below and I will reply to it as soon as I get the chance to. And that is going to be our layout, you guys. I'm gonna leave you guys here. I'm just gonna add a little bit of music. You guys can speed it up or skip to the end if you want to see the end result. It doesn't bother me. So whatever you guys decide are comfortable with, if you have some downtime or whatnot. But yeah, I'll leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching. just kind of finishing up here, but I just wanted to come back over to tell you guys this is the complete layout. Just trying to maneuver and kind of strategically place this thread, but I don't think it's working. I don't think it's cooperating very much, because of course I don't want it to be, you know what if I tie a bow with it and just place it? You guys know me and my bows are not good. My bow making skills are not good. But what if we put a little bow somewhere in here so it could dangle? Or shall we put it up here? No, for sure somewhere in here. Let me just put it here. I had to use my tweezers to help me hold on to the thread like that, like that, and then we could cut these off a little bit so it doesn't hang too loose. There. I mean, it looks like a hot mess, but but that's the overall layout, you guys. I'm just gonna journal in here a little bit in the little space that we have, and that is gonna be it for today for this layout. I know I haven't been sharing all of them with you, but I thought, look how perfect that this little heart that we did as an embellishment is going to help decorate the rings for the cover. So now we can go ahead and put it back in place. These are the layouts that I've done so far. You guys have seen this one. I don't know if I shared this one. I think you saw this one. And then this one is my favorite because look how little Mike was new mom there. And we're going to put this one back like so. And then we're going to add this one like that. And then we continue to see our other layouts. This one. And that's it for so far. So I think at some point I need to start showing you guys how I plan to decorate the cover. But it's a good thing that I had these big rings because look how bulky and chunky it's getting. I don't know, but I love it. I love the fact that these individual pictures are finally have a home. Like, for real. I'm like happy that at least they're concentrated in one area. So that was the layout for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Oh, here. And I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.